Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I want to share with you some of my tips that I incorporate and I want to incorporate in my hair care routine to repair my hair and to finally succeed to have a healthy, nice hair. So if you want to achieve a nice hair and a healthy hair, please continue to watch this video to see what tips I can give you based on my hair experience. Hi guys, so this is the first video of the new year 2024, so I'm glad to have you here in the next year, and I wish you all to have a nice, peaceful, calming year with amazing result on the subject that you want and you love, to be kind and to do what you love, because when you do what you love, sure you will do all the best you can. Another tips is to start doing more homemade mask for your hair. I personally like coconut oil or jojoba oil, and this one I combine and mix with essential oil, maybe rosemary or mint or something like this, just to improve your hair condition and your scalp. But if you struggle like me with scalp problems, you shouldn't put on scalp this type of mask, only on your length. So when I use it on my length, I just use coconut oil or jojoba oil. I don't put any essential oil on my length, because I have the opinion that will dry more my hair. But coconut oil is great, also jojoba oil, maybe castor oil. Grapeseed oil is also a very lightweight oil that you can use it, or other type of oil that you like. But be constantly, do it regularly, maybe on Sunday or Saturday when you have enough time, just to take care of your hair. I just apply the homemade mask on my hair and leave it for 2 or 3 hours before I wash my hair, and the result will appear. Another tips is to use a hair oil on your ends. I start using and incorporate these tips in the last year. So I put oil, some drops on my hand and after on my mid-end, usually daily, because I notice that my hair tend to be more drier, and when I put oil it is more soft and it feels more nicer, and I think this will help my hair to have nice mid ends and get rid of split end, and not to have another new split ends when I take care of my ends too. So find a good hair oil. I personally prefer Olaplex number 7 because it is a lightweight oil, and now I want to finish the bottle. Maybe after I will try a different type of oil, but now I use this kind of oil, and I am pleased with this. Beside of this, I guess the stress level can also ruin our hair. So if we can limitate the stress in our life, we will have definitely nice hair and healthy hair. It is difficult because we all have issues, problem and other stuff, but with the method that works for any of us, maybe can be meditation or journaling, or to talk to somebody else. You can find the method that suits you and makes you feel better, just to have a peaceful and nicer life. because you will think that you want great hair, healthy hair, and you can improve your health and your life too. Another very important tips, I guess, is the hairstyle that you want to have at night. How you keep your hair at night, because whatever you keep your hair in a tight bun, or you just sleep with your hair like this, maybe you can ruin your hair or damage your hair. So pay attention what hairstyle you have when you sleep. You know that I like to sleep on a silk pillowcase because it is more gentle on your hair. So maybe you can give it a try to a new silk pillowcase, and to pay attention when you take your hair at night in a bun or in a low ponytail, because in the night we move a lot and our hair tend to move around on the pillowcase, so you also can have mechanical damage to your hair. I personally prefer just to make a nice bun in this part, so I secure it with the clips and not make very tight, just to preserve my curls, or just when I want to achieve my curling look, I just sleep with my headband. In the past I struggled with my split ends and doesn't allow me to achieve nice longer length, because I was sewing that my hair was growing, but on the length I didn't notice some difference, because my hair have a lot of split ends and tend to broke my hair. So this is the reason that maybe it can fit one of you that can struggle with achieving longer length. You have split ends and you have to focus on your mid ends just to nourish them and to give them more hydration, just to make stronger and not to have split ends. So another tips for the one of you that struggle with damaged hair is to use a bond repairing product. There are so many products on the market. I personally like K18. I have been using Olaplex number 3, but for my hair type and my hair necessities, K18 was better. So give it a try to a bond repairing product and use it constantly just to see some result. Another thing that I want to incorporate more in my life routine is to drink more water, because we all are made from more water. Our body need more water, so our hair too. So when you drink more water, you will give your hair the base where the hair can start growing healthy and thicker, and to be more easy just to reprocess, or just to color your hair, or something that isn't so good. But when you have a healthy base of your hair, it is easier just to do this. So another tips is to drink more water. Beside of this, I stick with my professional product, because I try natural product, dermocosmetic product for hair care, but I stick with the professional one, because I noticed that this kind of product can make a difference to your hair by comparison with other type of natural product and dermocosmetic. It is good to, and is better to check the label to see the ingredients on your hair care product, but in hair care industry they use sometimes other bad ingredients that aren't so good for our health. But I guess sticking with a regular schedule of washing your hair, not to wash so often. This is another tips for trying to repair your hair and to have healthy hair, is not too overwhelming with hair wash. When you feel that your hair tends to be more greasier, you should wash it, but not every single day, not at 6 days. In both of the cases, it isn't good for your hair health. So you know your hair condition, you know when you feel that your scalp it is in a good and fresh condition, you should wash it. It's just simple, and it depends on our needs, because we all are different, and maybe I can wash my hair at 5 days and someone else will wash it at 2 days or 3 days. It depends on our necessities. Are my tips for trying to repair your hair and to have nicer, healthy hair for this video. I hope you can follow me on my journey to repair my hair. I will continue to post an update video about my hair care routine and what is my hair care condition, because like you see, my hair start to grow, and I can achieve more length now that I will achieve in the past. So these are my tips for trying to repair your hair and to have nice hair in this year. I hope you will enjoy my video and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification button to see other new video that I post. I post in Monday and Friday every single week. Till next one, bye bye guys.